Kinds of adjective. Adjectives are of five kinds. They are adjectives of quality, quantity, number, demonstration, and interrogation. Adjectives of quality show the kind or quality of a person or thing. He is an honest man. Adjectives of quality will answer the question of what kind. Adjectives of quantity will show how much of a thing is meant. He showed much patience. We have had enough exercise.
Adjectives of quantity will answer the question how much.
Correct. Adjectives of number will show how many persons or things are meant, or in what order a person or thing stands. I have taught you many things. There are no pictures in the book. Most boys like cricket. Here are some ripe mangoes.
Adjectives of number will answer the question how many.
Well said. Demonstrative adjectives point out which person or thing is meant. This boy is stronger than Hari. I hate such irresponsible people. Demonstrative adjectives answer the question which. The words what, which, and whose are used with nouns to ask questions, and these are called interrogative adjectives. What color is it? Which book do you want? Whose house is this?
You're right. 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 That's 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 right.
Conjunction. A conjunction is a word which joins words or sentences or parts of sentences together. The following are the most common conjunctions: and, but, so, that, as, if, unless, for, since, because, yet, when, while, though, although, until, still. Let's see some of the sentences using conjunctions. 2 and 3 make 5. The conjunction used in this sentence is and, which joins the parts of sentences together. Ram went to school, but Shyam stayed home. But is the conjunction used in this sentence. It joins the two sentences. Ram went to school and Shyam stayed home together. Akash didn't play because he got hurt. Because is used as conjunction here and makes a complete sentence. Can you identify the conjunction word in this sentence? This is the house that my father built.
Yes, in this sentence, that joins the parts of the sentence.
That's right.
The conjunctions join the sentences together and often make them more compact.
Let's see more sentences using conjunctions. Make hay while the sun shines. If he has money, he can buy the book. I am thin, yet I am strong. Though my father was sick, he went to the office. It is 2 weeks since my vacation has started. Unless you work hard, you cannot succeed. Wait in my home until I return from the office. The teacher was angry. Still she did not shout. As he is ill, he will not come tomorrow. Although he ran to catch the bus, he missed it.
I can say the conjunctions in these sentences. While, if, yet, though, since, unless, until, still, as, and although. Now, I know the importance of the conjunctions in the sentence.
You're right. 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 Rhyming words and homophones. The words ending with the same sound are called rhyming words. The rhyming words ending with the sound at are cat, mat, rat, bat.
Wow! Rhyming word is interesting.
Words ending with the sound it are kite, night, light, fight. Some more rhyming words are best, rest, vest, test. More, for, pour, tore. Hen, pen, men, den. Key, fee, see, me.
Father, mother, brother, sister. All these are rhyming words.
We shall now see about the homophones. There may be children who look alike. In the same way, the words which have the same sound but different spelling and meaning are called homophones. Pair and pair are two different words with the same sound, but they have different meaning and spelling. The word pear, pear, is a fruit. The word pair, pair, means a set of two things.
Though they sound the same, they have different meaning and spelling.
Piece, piece. The word piece, piece, means a small bit of a thing. The word peas, peas, mean a vegetable. Come on, let's make sentences with some homophones. Floor, floor. The carpet on the floor is blue color. Bread is made of flour. Hair, hair. The girl has a long hair. The lazy hare did not win. Diary, diary. I have lost my school diary. We get milk and milk products in a dairy farm. Herd, herd.
A herd of cattle grazed the field. I heard you talking about me.
Root, root. The root of a tree is very strong. Can you tell me the root for this address? Price, price. What is the price of the television? Lalita got first prize in the running race.